Instagram affiliate marketing with easy 3-step which will give you $50 plus with this brand new method, guys. Nobody is using this method. It's have only 3-step where you can promote any niche product of your ClickBank by creating a Instagram account which is free, and you can drive amazing traffic here, guys. Look at this, how people are driving tons of traffic in any niche, guys. Whatever the niche you are, you can use this 3-step process which I'm going to show you to make $50 with a brand new tool as well as brand new method. Before that, guys, if you're new here, subscribe my channel, watch few of these videos, enable the notification, guys, so that you can watch my videos every week which I'm uploading Monday and Thursday, and give the thumbs up to this video, guys, because this is completely free, very easy and quick. So guys, the first step is choosing the right product. So the two niche where you can use this new secret method is, guys, manifestation, and another one is, guys, right, health and wellness. Okay, so right now I'm selecting manifestation. Any product I'm just taking as a demo. So here you can see manifestation god, and here you can see the conversion, initial conversion is $23. That means, guys, you have to make a 2 sales per day to make $50, near $50. Okay, so let's see there, right, this is their affiliate page. They have many materials and which they have given the resources which you can use in your organic traffic as well as in paid traffic, right? Look at the sales copy and all those things. So this is a video sales page, and today $37. This product is very, very good. This is low ticket, and with this method you need a low ticket product only. Okay, no high ticket product. So I think this is good. The second important is, guys, creating your own Instagram page. Now, guys, you can watch other people Instagram page. You can create, right, have a good bio. This is not a good bio, so have a good right bio like this. Okay, this is very, very important. Use your logo. This all you can create with Canva. So I'm not showing you all of those things which is many videos are out there. And start uploading the stories and have the reels, guys, because reels are driving tons of traffic. Look at this traffic which they are getting here. Okay, any niche, guys, if you're into weight loss niche, go and see how other people are doing. Now, what you should not do here, guys, you should not do this here if you're looking for sales, is just simply re-uploading other people's content. Remember one thing, guys, in 2022, if you re-upload other people's content, you are not going to get the sales. So make sure you can watch these videos, you can remodel these videos. Okay, for example, this is one of my page. Okay, I have many pages on health and wellness, diabetes and spiritual, because it's very easy to get the sale. This is a new page which generally I don't use it, but I just want to give you an example. So here you can see this is a good reel. A reel is very, very good, driving very good traffic here. You can see this, and you can have a good bio, you can have a good logo here. Just watching others, right? I am just doing this, but I'm not uploading other people's content. Okay, and for this method, guys, you don't need many followers. Okay, you can start with even 0 followers. Now the third most important step is promotion. Now pay attention here, guys, because this is really important, right? You never seen before. If you did wrong this third step, you're not going to make any sales, guys. We have to get into Google and we have to look for the content, guys, which is like problems or block or some kind of issues, okay, on that particular niche. For example, guys, here you can see manifestation blocks. And here you can see there are 10 signs that you have manifestation blocks, and there are like 4 major blocks to manifestation. Now what we are going to do here is, guys, we will give them this to read, because these are blocks, these are the problems, guys. We will give them to read this, and we will use our affiliate link. Any niche, guys, for let me show you in a weight loss niche. Okay, for example, why you're not losing weight. Look at the 20 common reason why you're not losing weight. We will give this your audience to read, and we will insert our affiliate link. So how we're going to do this? For this, guys, we will use this new tool called Share CTA. This is called, guys, sharecta.com. Pay attention here, guys, because this is really important here. Okay, and if you're enjoying this video, guys, give the thumbs up to this video. So here, guys, we will open this in a new tab, and here you can see this is 10 sign that you have manifestation block. So they have given all the 10 sign which is a problem, and we will use their link over here, right? So if you click this, you will take the URL, guys, and then you will go here in this CTA. You'll just copy this here and you're gonna say right here, create links. So guys, here you can see this is the blog, right? Other people's content here, and this is our push notification. Here you can see in the bottom, right? And now what we'll do, guys, if you want, you can insert a logo also, 64 pixel, right? You can create this thing with or at Canva. You have to insert your brand name here. Now this is really important, guys. For this, guys, you have to see some key points or headlines who are in the offer. For example, here you can see secret method to manifest unlimited health, wealth, and love, right? So you can copy this one. You can get this kinds of headline anywhere, right? In the affiliate resource page, you can get down here and you can see email also, right? So this is also a very good email headline. You can use it. So meanwhile, I'm just showing you here. You can insert this secret method to manifest health, wealth, and love. Okay, so here you can see in the bottom, it will be look like. Now you need a strong headline, guys. For this, we will go here. We will select this one here, right? Secret wealth manifestation technique. Shocking true story about manifestation. This is also you can use. So now let's get into here and you will insert here. Look at this, a secret wealth manifestation technique. Watch now. So you can put the call to action button here, guys. Watch now or learn now, whatever you want. So we will write here watch now. So watch now. Now guys, we have to insert here in the CTA URL your affiliate link. Take the affiliate link from here. Make sure, guys, getting the video sales letter. So now we will get into here. We will insert. So and now we will say create a link, right? Copy to clipboard. This will be your link over here. So now if you use this link over here, for example, this one. So here you can see, right? So this will be your the link which will you will promote with Instagram. Like look at this 10 sign that you have manifestation blog. And whenever they will read this article, guys, which is not written by you, easy, free, fast, you're using other people's content right here and not disturbing any people's views. And whenever they read these blogs, they will get this push notification. Secret method to manifest, right, unlimited health and wealth, a secret wealth manifestation technique. Watch now. If they click here, guys, they will directly go to offer. Look at this in this video. If they buy, you will make your 2 sales here. The same thing you can apply in any niche, guys. In weight loss also, you have to look for some problems like this 20 ways. And again, you're gonna use this, the link from here. You'll use this share a CTA. Simply insert that URL here, create a link. This is what 10 common reason why you're not losing as much weight as you expect, right? So this way, guys, you have given some problem to them. Okay, whenever they read these problems, you have something here which will show them to click here and lose the weight. Okay, something you can promote any offer over here, right? So now, guys, this way you are increasing the impressions and clicks to your affiliate offer. Once if you created this link, guys, make sure you're shorten that links from bit.ly if you want, because with that you can keep a track here. I'm promoting with the same method, solar switch. I got 25 clicks. I know from which location I'm getting the clicks. Then you can insert your link in the bio here. And once if you insert the shortened links, you can promote through your feeds, right? You can create the content like this. Okay, look at this with Canva, 10 sign that your manifestation blog. Okay, then this video will be there in the bottom, guys. It is written like link in bio, read to manifest money now. Okay, so this way you can upload this and promoting in your feeds. Okay, feeds, reel, and whenever you upload in a feed, you can also share to your story and you can also upload in the reels. So this is an amazing tool, guys. Hope you like this tool. Hope you like this method, which will increase your impressions and clicks. Share a CTA. This will definitely help you to get minimum, right, $50 a day. Grow your Instagram account as well as provide the value with this easy 3-step. If you got the value from this video, guys, give the thumbs up to this video. And before you go, guys, watch this video over here, because this is the method and the strategy you're gonna use in 2022. It's all about creating the content and why it is important, smaller content or longer content. Everything I explained in this video over here. See you in the next video with new content.